So can you get instant traffic to any affiliate offers starting today? Now in this video, I'm going to be giving you my honest review on the instant traffic website called Udimi. Now, if you've never heard of Udimi, this is the website right here. And essentially what it allows you to do is get instant traffic to any affiliate offers that you have. And the way it works, as you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of sellers on Udimi. And the way it works is you're able to buy clicks to any affiliate offer that you want. Now, the cool thing is every single one of these people have their own email list. And basically you're borrowing their list. You're saying, hey, I want you to send 1,000 clicks to whatever offer that you have. So if you're an affiliate marketer, if you have your own product, if you're trying to promote things on ClickBank or Digistore24, and you're looking for a way to get instant traffic, typically people will look at solo ads. But throughout this review, I want to explain what are solo ads, but more importantly, are they a good way to generate traffic? And the biggest question is, can you actually get rich using solo ads? Now, I'm going to give you the quick answer and then I'm going to give you the long answer. The quick answer is no, I don't think most people can get rich using solo ads as a whole. But I think if you have a long-term strategy, you can use solo ads to make lots of money over time. And I want to explain how. Now, the reason why I don't think you can make money right away with solo ads is because you got to understand how solo ads work, right? Every single one of these vendors, they have a list that they're mailing every single day. So you got to imagine the people on their list, they're always seeing multiple offers, offer after offer after offer. So what happens is people on their list, they tend to get tired and they don't buy from these people. Again, I've used solo ads a ton, and you could even see if I go to my past orders here, I have 151 orders, okay? I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on solo ads. As you can see, these are just my orders. I'm ordering solo ads constantly, but you got to understand the reason why is because I have a long-term strategy, and my strategy nurtures people when they first get on my list. Now, if you're a complete beginner, right, you're looking at solo ads and you're like, this is an awesome way to get traffic. I can literally get traffic overnight, which is true. But again, you got to understand the people that are coming from solo ads, they're not typically going to buy, and they're usually people that have seen offer after offer after offer, okay? How come someone like me can buy solo ads and be profitable? It's because of my email sequences and because the way I nurture my audience. Now, this is an example of what I would take someone going through my solo ads, okay? Now, I've talked a lot about this in my previous videos, the affiliate stacking ecosystem, but you got to understand how it works. And this is why I can make solo ads work, and I'm able to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on cold traffic, okay? Because I'm willing to nurture people over time, okay? So I've explained this in previous videos, but basically what I do is I get people to an opt-in page to get to my email list. Now, over time, I will send them emails, and it goes something like this. I'll send them an offer, and then I'll send them a value email, and then another offer, and then a value email. So what I'm doing is I'm constantly providing value for people on my list. If you happen to be on my list, you're not always going to get a random offer. I'm always trying to give you value, whether it's a no link email or sending you to a YouTube video. My goal is to continue adding value for people on my list. So I know, maybe someone from a solo ad, by the time they get, way down here, they know me, they like me, and they trust me. That's why I continue to buy solo ads, okay? Now, of course, I teach this entire system and I allow people to clone this business as their own. I'm going to leave a link down below in the YouTube description that'll allow you to clone this exact same system that you're looking at as your own. That way you can also make solo ads work for yourself, okay? Now, not only am I providing value, right? I'm also giving my email list a chance to buy multiple products, okay? As you'll notice here, I have, a link to this product, a link to this product, and it goes on and on. I have multiple products within my affiliate stacking ecosystem. And going back to solo ads, that's exactly why I'm buying, as you can see, every single month. And sometimes I'll be buying thousands and thousands of clicks. Now, this is just a specific review on Udimi, which is one of my favorite and easiest solo ad vendors because basically it's a network of vendors. So basically you can go to find sellers and you can see there's literally thousands of solo ad people that you can buy from, okay? So that's how I am able to make solo ads work, okay? As you can see, I've had over 151 orders. So I don't think solo ads are a scam, right? Or I know solo ads aren't a scam, but if you're a beginner and you're trying to, get rich overnight, then it's probably not going to work for you because as a beginner, you really don't have the systems in place or you don't have the knowledge to do that, right? And that's what I'm trying to show you. If you're a beginner and you're buying solo ads, yes, you're going to build an email list, but you're not going to make your money back right away. That comes with the email follow-up in the way that you structure your follow-up system, okay? So just being 100% transparent there. Now, do I recommend solo ads? Well, when I first started, I didn't want to create all that content. I didn't want to make YouTube videos. I didn't want to make TikToks and Instagrams. I actually spent thousands of dollars on solo ads when I first started my affiliate marketing business. And that's a secret that I really didn't tell anybody because I was kind of embarrassed. I didn't know how to make videos and I was scared to get on camera. The first month of doing affiliate marketing, I grew my list very quickly because I was spending all the extra money I had. Now, would I recommend that for a complete beginner? Maybe not. If you have extra money, yes, that way you can kind of get that quick email list. You can get those quick sales. But if you're on your last dime, no, I don't recommend it because you need a long-term strategy. Let me just show you what I would do if I was buying solo ads on Udimi, okay? So I would go to Udimi and I would go to find sellers. And what I like to do is I like to see which sellers are the best, okay? So I'll do things like people that have, 300 rating, people that have already gotten 40% of sales, people that have gotten repeat orders, maybe 20%. So these are the best of the best, right? People that say they've already gotten sales, people that go back, that's huge, right? Repeat orders is really big. That means somebody got a good result. So typically this is what I'll do, right? And then I'll see, okay, who's a good seller, right? And as you can see, I've bought from a lot of people in the past, right? So let's just say, for example, I wanted to buy from this guy right here. Now I would click on it and it's super easy, honestly. All I got to do is go to buy solo ads right here. And then I could choose how many clicks I want. Okay. So let's just say I want, 500 clicks. Again, this doesn't mean that you're going to build your email list. It doesn't mean you're going to get any sales. All you're getting guaranteed is the clicks. Okay. That means they're sending traffic to whatever page that you want it. Okay. It's your job to convert these people. And you want to make sure that you have a high converting page. Okay. But that's a different lesson for a different day. Okay. Now what I would do now is you could simply put your affiliate link right here. Okay. This is where you put your link, or if you're a little bit more advanced, you could throw a text in there. Okay. So as you can see here, I've done multiple texts here, but here's an example here. This is promoting the 72-hour challenge. And basically I give them the email that I want them to send to their email list. Okay. And then of course I put the link here that goes to the affiliate link I'm promoting. Okay. So as you can see right there, but that's basically what I would do to get the best solo ads for my money. But again, you want to make sure that you have a good follow-up system. Now I do have a link if you want to get started with Udemy. You can get started with a discount. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description, or just click below or around this video. You'll see a link there that's going to help you get started with solo ads. That way you can get instant traffic. So would I recommend solo ads? Yes and no. Yes, if you have some extra money and you're willing to build your business long term. No, if you're trying to get rich quick overnight, because one, you don't have the right mindset to be able to move forward in your business, right? You're just trying to buy traffic. That way you can, get rich quick overnight. That's not my type of student. That's not what I teach. So I don't recommend it if you have the mindset of you're trying to get rich quick. For me, I'm building my brand. I'm building my email list. I want people to know, like, and trust me. I'm building my Facebook groups. So I have these systems in place. That way I can build the business for the long term. So if you have that mindset, then yes, I absolutely recommend it. So again, I'll leave a link down below if you want to get started at a discount. But I hope this review helped on is Udimi legit or not. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.